Guys, sorry for the no intro, but today I had a makeup client. We're doing full glam and I decided to go ahead and film it for you guys. So if you like these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up. And let's just get started. Hey guys, so I like to start off with eyebrows, and for her today I was using Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, just because of her dark hair color, and I honestly didn't bring my dark brown, so I used Ebony. Also, please keep in mind that this was my first time recording me do makeup on somebody else. Not really, but I had her laying down just because I feel like it's an easier position to apply makeup, and I want to try something new. So it does look like she's in a hospital bed right now, but I promise you she's not. So I will keep in mind, if you guys do want to see more videos like this, I will angle the camera a different way. Actually, let me know if you don't like it this way. Be honest and put it in the comments down below. It'll help me out a lot, and let's just continue. So the way that I like to do eyebrows first, and then I just go ahead and lay down my product, and I know it looks like she has the bushiest brows in the world, but then I go in and clean it up with concealer. So that is the trick. Just fill them in however you want, and then just carve them out. Alright, to prime the eyelids, I like to go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And excuse me if I don't, forgive me if I don't remember all the products that I use. I'm going to try my best. Also, this video does get cut short. There's no really after pic, but you kind of see the look anyway. And yeah, I apply Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and then just apply a face powder on top just to set everything. So definitely not going to remember all the eyeshadows I used, but I'll try my best. The first shade I went in with is from the It Cosmetics palette, that one right there. And I used the second shade on the bottom row, which I think is Sunset. It's just like a real nice yellow tone brown. And I just blended it, didn't take it all the way into the crease, just kind of focused it on the outer corner. And yes, she's addicted to her phone like me. Alright, the second shade is from the Z palette that I custom made, and I believe it's MAC Wedge. I'm not too sure. I want to say it is, but I just applied it on the outer corner as well and blended everything in. The reason why I don't have like all the names, and I just wasn't planning to film today, but I figured since I had a client, I would go ahead and film it for you guys. And then going in with the third shade, it was Swiss chocolate, Swiss chocolate, I don't even know, from MAC, and I just blended it onto the outer corner just to deepen everything we have going on. Alright, now going into the outer corner, I went into my Coastal Scents palette. This is the number 2 version, and it's going into that maroon shade. I'm going to show you here in a second. But I just took it onto a small brush and blended the outer corners as well. Alright, now taking my concealer, the same one, I just applied it onto the eyelid to kind of do like a half cut crease, and just patting it on, and then over top I'm going to go in with Champagne Pop from Jaclyn Hill and just press that onto the concealer, and it's just a real nice champagne shade. Alright, so at this point my battery died, and this is where I failed, but if you guys like videos like this, let me know. Here I just turned the camera back on for like the little battery that it had, and I was applying foundation. I go in with the MAC NC25, I believe, and applied it, and then I went ahead and went in with concealer and also blended that out. Alright, so something that I've been liking to do is cream contouring, and I go ahead and apply the shade Fawn by LA Colors, and I use that as a bronzer to bronze out the skin, and then on top I go in with the other LA Colors, I forget the name, it's a darker shade, and then I just apply that to the outer corner, to the top, closer to the ear. And so here I'm going with the darker shade, and like I said, I'm just focusing it. Also, before my camera died, on the eyes I applied the maroon shade, and then I just applied some liquid eyeliner and also applied some false lashes, and then I went on to contouring. So here we are. She was just fixing her hair because it was all in her way. And then after all that, I went ahead and applied a face powder, just setting all the creams that I just applied to her face. And then we're gonna still go in and bronze with powder bronzers. Powder bronzers I used are the Anastasia Tawny, Anastasia Cappuccino, and yeah, I just set her spray, I set her face using Morphe setting spray and applied the Maybelline, I forget the name of the lipstick, but it was nude, and then applied a gloss, and she was done. So sorry that it cut off so abruptly, but let me know if you like these videos, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.